In this video, I'll show you how to use the scanner of the HP Deskjet 4155e. It's very easy, and on top of that, there's two scanners. So I'll show you how both of these works. So the first and easiest way to make a scan is without any computer or smartphones, in case you just want to make a copy of that scan. You can open this glass scanner, take the document, put it facing down, align it with this corner, so just push it there, okay? Close it down, make sure that there is some paper inside of this printer. You can also open this tray over here to receive the paper. And now you have to decide, do you want a color scan or a black and white scan to make the copy? This is the color button, this is the black and white. I want the black and white, okay? So I'll press once on it and wait. Here we go, so the document just got scanned and copied. Now, what if you want to scan and send the scan by email or store it on your computer or smartphone? Let me show you how to connect your smartphone to this printer and then being able to use the scanner to do so. So the first step is to go on the Android Play Store or the App Store if you have an iPhone and download the HP Smart app. So just search for HP Smart and it should be this option over here. While you're waiting for the app to download, make sure that the printer is turned on, and then you're gonna need to press this X button and this Wi-Fi button at the same time until the power button starts flashing. So I'll show you. Keep pressing both. Keep pressing. Okay, it starts flashing. You can now release them and the button will start blinking this way in just a few seconds. Let's wait. Here we go. So it stopped doing this. It means that the printer is now in pairing mode. So open the HP Smart app you just downloaded. This is the main menu screen of the app. I have already connected a printer, but in your case, if you don't have any printer, you're gonna have a button here saying Add Printer. If you don't see it, just press the small plus button on the top right corner once. And then in this app, you're gonna press Get Started, this first option. Then you're gonna select Wi-Fi, Continue, Continue. Select Deskjet 4100 series. And here make sure that this network is your home network, the one you use at home or at the office if you're there. And enter the Wi-Fi password of this network. Then press Continue. Here you're gonna have to wait. Now it will ask you to press the I button that is located over here. Just press it once and release. The setup will continue automatically on your phone. Then once you see this screen, press Continue. Then you'll get this screen. It's up to you if you want to accept all. I personally value my personal information and you're not obligated to share it with HP. So I'll press Decline Optional Data. Here again, you're not obligated to accept all these services that HP is trying to sell you. You can simply click on Do Not Activate HP Plus and you can look later about them if you wish to subscribe. Again, decline HP Plus, continue. Here they will try to sell you their instant ink service. Again, I suggest you don't accept it now and you take the time to read about the term and condition to see if it fits you. So just press Do Not Enable Ink Delivery, skip offer. Now it will tell you to load paper, but you can just skip these. Press continue. Here they will ask you if you want the printer to update itself, if there is new firmware available, or do it manually. I always suggest auto update so I don't have to care about this. Press apply. And now you can press the skip printing page. You're not obligated to do this as well. I don't think it serves any purpose. Not right now. If there is a firmware available, it will be presented to you. Just press OK. It will auto install it. There's the top feeder here where you can insert multiple documents, multiple pages. You can even have, as many as you want. And you just glide them over here. Okay. Then take your smartphone, go down until you see printer scan. Click on it. Then if you want to use the top feeder like we just did, you're going to click on here on the top and you're going to select document feeder. Then go back. Here you can select, if you're scanning a picture, you better choose a better resolution at 300 dpi. And you can select if you want it to be in color or in black and white. You can go back once you set this up and press this white button here when you want to start. The printer will take each pages that you inserted here by itself. You don't need to touch anything, just wait until it's done. I forgot to tell you, you need to place them facing up if you're using the top feeder. Once the printer is done scanning, the pages will be over here and you'll have the document presented to you. You'll have the multiple pages if you have different pages on the screen. And you can save it, share, or you can even print if you want to do a copy by clicking on these icons below. If you want to use the scan bed, you just have to open this, place your sheet of paper facing down and align it with this corner. Just drag it there, just glide it, sorry. Okay, then close it. And same thing on the app, you're gonna press printer scan, press up here and select under source scanner glass. Then make sure that these settings are fine, because depending what you're trying to scan, again, you may change the color or if you want a larger document or a smaller document here. Then go back and press the white button when you're ready. When you're done, you're going to be presented with the scan here. Again, you can adjust the corners if you're not happy with this, then press next. And again, you'll be able to print, share, save, do whatever you want to do with what you just scanned. So this is how you use the scanner of the HP Deskjet 4155e. I hope this video was useful. Please leave a like if it was, leave a comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.